Exercise 10-24, Natural Resources and Depletion. So Cannon Mountain Mining paid $462,300 for the right to extract mineral assets from a 400,000 ton deposit. In addition to the purchase price, Cannon also paid a $9,000 filing fee, an $1,800 license fee to the state of Nevada, and a $55,000 for a geological survey of the property. Because Cannon purchased the rights to the minerals only and did not purchase the land, it expects the assets to have a zero residual value. During the first year, Cannon removed and sold 50,000 tons of the minerals. So we want to make the journal entries to record the purchase of the minerals, payment of the fees and other costs, and depletion for the first year. All right, so begin by journalizing the purchase of the minerals. And apparently, Mac Accounting Lab's really into giving you hints for this one. It's telling you to debit the mineral asset. All right, so we got $462,300 that we spent on this mineral asset. So $462,300, copy and paste. And this minerals is an asset account. Why is it an asset account? Because it has a future value. We're hoping to extract a whole bunch of minerals from this thing, which will provide us revenue in the future. But we do not have rights to the land, so we cannot call it the land as an asset. And we paid cash to record purchase of mineral rights. Then later, we're going to journalize a payment of fees and other costs, and it tells you to record a single compound journal entry. So we also paid a $900 filing fee, an $1,800 license fee to the state of Nevada, and a $55,000 for a geological survey of the property. So I've got these listed here. So we got the filing fee, license fee, and geological survey. This totals $57,700. And because it says record a single compound entry, we're going to do that right here. Copy and paste. Now, because these fees, the filing fee, license, and geological survey, are part of the cost of getting this asset ready to use, we have to just capitalize that account, which means put it in an asset account. And the asset account we're going to put it in is the minerals account. And then we paid cash. We have to lower cash to record payment of costs associated with purchase of minerals. Recording this in a single compound entry is actually kind of unrealistic because we paid a $900 filing fee and then an $1,800 licensing fee, and then we paid for a geological survey. Chances are these are for different places, so each of these would require a separate check, which in the real world would require a separate journal entry, but the authors wanted you to do it in one step. Okay, now we're going to record the depletion for the first year. So depletion is pretty much the same as depreciation, but depletion is used for a natural resource like this mineral that we have. So because this mineral asset will not last forever, we have to deplete it, which means slowly lower the value of it, just like we do with the depreciation. So over here I have the depletion per unit. So what we're going to do is we're going to use this method of calculating depletion, which means basically the more we extract from the mineral asset, the higher the depletion will be. So the way we do that is we're going to take the cost of the asset minus the residual value divided by how many units we think we can extract out of that. So the total cost of this asset is $462,300 plus the $57,500, which I've shown up here is $520,000. Now the residual value because we don't have the rights to the land, once we extract everything from it, it will have a 0 residual value. And then how many tons do we think we can extract from this? $400,000. So 520,000 divided by 400,000 tons gives us $1.30 per ton. Now, how many tons did we remove the first year? 50,000. So we're going to take 50,000 times this $1.30 per ton gives us 65,000. Copy and paste. So the depletion expense, so we have to increase an expense. So instead of depreciation, because it's a natural resource, we call it depletion. And then we have accumulated depletion, which will increase with a credit because it's a contra asset. And then we're just going to finish it up with a to record depletion. And that's it.